Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your phone application, then go to the contact section, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit, then tap on the camera icon to edit its photo. Then you have an option to take a photo or the select photo from the gallery. Then you have to select photo. Here you can adjust it, and then tap done, and then tap on this tick icon, and after that photo will be added to this contact. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.